going to show you how to make a spicy curry of boiled potatoes and mushrooms. Right now we have taken 200 grams of maitake mushrooms. Now boil this mushroom lightly. Now cut them into small pieces. Now I have chopped green chilies, tomatoes, onions, garlic leaves, and coriander leaves to add to this. Now heat the pan. After that, put 50 grams of mustard oil in the pan. Now wait for the oil to heat up. After the oil is hot, first add cumin seeds to it. Then add black pepper. Now put green chilies in it. Then add finely chopped onions to it. And fry it till the onions turn golden brown. Now add chopped tomatoes and fry them. Now put garlic leaves and coriander leaves in it. Now put 1.5 teaspoon salt in it and 1.5 teaspoon turmeric powder. Now add home ground spices to it. Add 1 bowl water. Now fry it till the spices is cooked. Now put mushrooms in it. Now take some boiled potatoes to put in it. Cut the potatoes into pieces. Now put it in the pan. Now roast all these till they are cooked properly. Add 1 bowl water to it. Now cover it for 15 minutes. Now put coriander leaves in it. Now your mushroom and potato curry is ready.